Surgeons are carefully removing the tonsils from the back of the throat. Have you ever wondered why some people have their tonsils removed? The tonsils are two small lumps of tissue at the back of your throat. They help the body fight germs, but sometimes they become infected over and over again or grow so large that they make it hard to breathe, swallow, or sleep. When this keeps happening, doctors may recommend a tonsillectomy, which means removing the tonsils. The surgeon does not make any cuts on the outside of the neck. Everything is done through the mouth. A special tool is used to gently keep the mouth open so the surgeon can clearly see the tonsils. The surgeon carefully separates one tonsil from the surrounding tissue. As the tonsil is removed, small blood vessels are sealed using heat or special surgical tools. This helps stop bleeding and keeps the surgery safe. The same steps are then repeated to remove the second tonsil. After both tonsils have been removed, the surgeon carefully checks the area to make sure there is no bleeding. Once everything looks good, the surgery is complete. After surgery, the patient is taken to a recovery room. It is normal to have a sore throat for several days. Swallowing may also feel painful at first, but this slowly gets better as the throat heals. Doctors usually recommend drinking plenty of water and eating soft, cool foods like yogurt, ice cream. Most people recover within 1 to 2 weeks and can then return to their normal daily activities. For people who had frequent throat infections or enlarged tonsils, this surgery can make a big difference. They often have fewer infections, breathe more easily while sleeping, and enjoy a much better quality of life.